Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Explore offline maps. First, ensure you have the Garmin Explore app installed on your mobile device and a compatible Garmin device paired. Open the app and log in with your Garmin account. This initial setup is crucial for synchronizing your data and accessing map downloads. Make sure your device's location services are enabled for accurate positioning. Once logged in, navigate to the Maps section within the app. Here, you can browse available map regions. Select the area you wish to download for offline use. Be mindful of the file sizes, which can range from a few hundred megabytes to several gigabytes, depending on the detail and coverage. Ensure you have sufficient storage space, perhaps 500 megabytes free for a small region, on your device before initiating the download. With your maps downloaded, you can now navigate without an internet connection. Create waypoints by tapping on the map or import pre-planned routes. The app will use your device's GPS to pinpoint your location on the downloaded map. You can expect GPS accuracy to be within 3 to 5 meters in open areas. Zoom in and out to view details and follow your planned path effectively. To maximize your offline mapping experience, consider a few best practices. Always fully charge your device before heading out, as GPS usage can drain battery quickly, perhaps in 4 to 6 hours. Carry a portable power bank for extended trips. Regularly update your downloaded maps to ensure you have the most current trail and road information. This preparation ensures reliable navigation every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.